All right, so last week, on Tuesday, we looked at this one already. We can see we made a reference plane. So the roof is actually running on an angle. We can see here. And it's going in this direction extrusion-wise. So we made a reference plane that's representing that angle. Okay? So what we need to do is we just need to make, in this case we're making a new mass. So we go to mass and site, in place mass, call this thing roof if we want. Now what we want to do is set the work plane by picking it, okay, and picking that work plane, and then we can go into an elevation. In this case, south makes the most sense. And we're going to trace this as the entire roof. So what we did last time, and we want to make sure we're on work plane always, because if there's any 3D geometry here and we click on it first, it's going to snap to it. And then we can go ahead and make the line. So if we go to 3D view now, that's the roof. If we actually go to the roof plan, we can see how much. So we'll go ahead to the 3D view first and just hit the extrude button or create form. And then we'll go to the roof plan to sort of adjust it. Now, I think your elevations still aren't right.
Well, working on elevation,
or something's not right. But you can see that's the roof.
Yeah, because I've been checking my elevation with the scale.
But based on the elevation and where the roof plan is, or in different locations, I'd have to say. So what would you do now, right? This doesn't line up. So, I mean, the only way you can line it up is by, say I'm going to reference that corner. And I'm going to reference that corner. So these are two work planes I should be able to see in the south view.
But wouldn't that line up with the north view?
That's south. South is always, you're looking from the south. So that's your south elevation. So this is your south elevation. So that's where the roof, so even these plans are lining up perfect. Seems. To your roof plan. So one of these, something's wrong. Well, I take that back. Maybe that plan is, maybe. That one's okay. That one, yeah, maybe they're okay. But somehow that one's off. Although this might not be the roof, this is the building, so I think that's okay. So it's your elevation that's messed up. So it looks like it actually goes, that needs to be there, and then you need to scale this up from there to whatever there to there. And then you have to redo that, obviously. Well, it looks like I grabbed the wrong part, I guess. I went too far. My building got too big. I grabbed the wrong reference plane when I scaled it. But I'll let you fix that one. I should have scaled it to here. But I can grab the roof. Yeah, I just might as well just cancel that. So I scaled it wrong. I should have scaled it to there. So that's the actual size, approximately. So let's remake it. Oh, what happened there? Okay, I think we finally got it. Although okay, does this make sense?
Yeah. Recorded too, right?
Yeah.